Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope you are good and healthy. So friends, welcome back my YouTube channel English with me. My name is Munesh Kumar. So friends, today I tell you first 5 vocabulary words for your vocabulary improvement, and then I will tell you today tip for English speaking. So let's start today video. So friends, first word cheerful. Cheerful means खुश मिजाज. And second word faithful. Faithful means वफादार. Third word truthful. Truthful means सच्चा. And fourth word careful. Careful means सावधान. And fifth word efficient. Efficient means सक्षम. So these are 5 vocabulary words for you and your vocabulary improvement. And I already tell you about how much important vocabulary for English speaking. You know friends, if you are learn 20 and 30 word meaning every day, so it is very useful for your English speaking. So I suggest you learn more and more vocabulary, and you know, when your vocabulary big, and you also able to English speaking, and in that situation you easily make a sentence. So focus on your vocabulary improvement, and every day you learn vocabulary words, and don't think about a grammar like tense. You know, when we speak English language, so that times we not think about tense. You know, tense, when we are read tense, so like we are identify like present tense, present indefinite tense. तो इसमें हम पहचान करते हैं, जैसे कि वाक्य के अंत में ता हो, ती हो, ते हो, तो हम जब हम बोलते हैं तो उस समय हम ऐसे सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकते हैं. हमें इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए हमें इंग्लिश में ही सोचना पड़ेगा. और हम ये कैसे सोचेंगे? जब हमारी इंग्लिश की वोकेबलरी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी हो जाएगी, जब हमारे पास इंग्लिश के बहुत सारे शब्द होंगे, तो इससे क्या होगा कि हमारे पास उन शब्दों को मिलाकर हम एक वाक्य आसानी से बना सकते हैं. दैट इज रीजन आई टेल यू यू आर फोकस ऑन योर वोकेबलरी, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर इफ यू आर एवरी डे लर्न 30 and 40 words, so after some times, after 1 and 2 and 3 months, you will become speak English language. So I hope you are adapt and accept this tip for your English speaking. So friends, these are today tips for your English speaking, and please share and subscribe my channel. And if you are share and subscribe my channel, so I will make more video for you, and it is good for me, and it like you share my video and subscribe my channel, so it is very cheerful moment for me, and happy moment for me, and then I will make you a very interesting video for you. So please share and subscribe my channel. And I know I also analyze and realize myself little bit improve comparison to my past time. So that is reason I already tell you about, if you are doing everyday practice, so definitely your English speaking improve day by day. So you know, you also do that this tip, and you also apply your daily routine in daily routine, like you are English speaking practice doing with your best friend, and you you search and found some one person, he also want English speaking, and he also interesting learn English speaking. So in that person, so in that person you with doing a practice uh, each other. So it is very helpful for you. And uh, so uh, if you are doing that every day, so you are able to English speaking. So that times, friends, I am working on my fluency, and I am working on my vocabulary also, because in that times when I am speaking, but in this time I realize in my sentence, not a vague word and interesting word not include my sentence. So I already think about that. I am learn more and more vocabulary words. It is good for me, and I hope you also learn more and more vocabulary words for your vocabulary. So these are today tip, and these are video for you. So please my channel subscribe and share. Thank you so much watching my video. I will meet you next video. Bye bye.